1,
Johnny, have you finished your homework?
yes. 2,
Johnny, have you finished your homework?
yes. 3,
Johnny, have you finished your homework?
yes. 1, A,
Yes.
B,
Yes.
C,
Yes.
2, A,
No.
B,
No.
C,
No.
1,
Are you married?
yes. 2,
Did you enjoy the film?
yes. 3,
Can you afford this meal?
yes. 4,
You're drunk, aren't you?
no. 5,
Is this your first class?
no. 6,
Did you eat all the chocolate?
no.
Dad, I've got some news. I'm getting married.
Excellent.
Dad, I've got some news. I'm getting married.
Excellent.
What did you think of the film?
It was good.
What did you think of the film?
It was good.
Who are you meeting tonight?
Nicole Kidman.
Who are you meeting tonight?
Not the Nicole Kidman.
What would you like?
A cup of tea. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. A pair of shoes.
Da 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 da. A pint of milk.
Da 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 da. A leg of lamb.
Da 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 da. A bunch of flowers.
Da 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 da. A bag of crisps.
Da 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 da. A glass of wine.
Da 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 da. A book of poems.
Da 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 da. A joint of beef.
Da 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 da. A loaf of bread.
Did you buy anything?
I wasn't going to.
So what's in the bag?
A pair of trousers.
One.
What do you want from me?
2,
You make me laugh.
3,
Shall we give it to him?
4,
I think she wanted something.
5,
I'd certainly like you to.
6,
It's always so lovely to see them.
7,
Can I have some?
8,
Who's this card for?
9,
What a waste of time and money.
10.
We used to have so much fun there.
One,
I'm going on holiday.
Where are you going?
2,
I'm going to Antarctica.
Where are you going?
1,
Who?
2,
Where?
3,
Why?
4,
When will you get back?
5,
Why can't you come?
6,
Which one is yours?
7,
Where are you going?
8,
What are you doing?
9,
How much?
1,
Who?
2,
Where?
3,
Why?
4,
When will you get back?
5,
Why can't you come?
6,
Which one is yours?
7,
Where are you going?
8,
What are you doing?
9,
How much?
1, A,
I'm meeting Zainab later.
Who?
B,
I'm meeting someone later.
Who?
2, A,
I should be back next year. It depends how my job goes.
When will you get back?
B,
I'm having a great time here, but I'm missing home.
When will you get back?
3, A,
I think I'll have to miss tomorrow's meeting.
Why can't you come?
B,
I can't come out tonight. My hair is too wet. I had to wash it 3 or 4 times.
Why can't you come?
4, A,
Can you pass me my coat?
Which one is yours?
B,
My car's over there. Look, it's the blue Rolls-Royce.
Which one is yours?
5, A,
I'm at my sister's house.
What are you doing?
B,
I'm having dinner with Queen Elizabeth.
What are you doing?
6, A,
Well, your car was in quite a bad state. That will be £860.
How much?
B,
Would you like to buy a ticket for today's match?
How much?
7, A,
The match starts at 10.
Where?
B,
The car's in the airport. Car Park 5, floor 3, space 34E.
Where?
Have you seen the time?
No. Are we late?
Yes. Don't you have a watch?
No, but I have a phone. Could you pass it to me?
Hello, madam. Inspector Holmes. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, go ahead.
Were you at home last night?
Yes, why? Has something happened?
Does anybody have a pen? Didn't you go out last night? Can I ask you a question? Will there be anyone I know there? Were my glasses on the table? Does anybody have a pen? Didn't you go out last night? Can I ask you a question? Will there be anyone I know there? Were my glasses on the table? Does anybody have a pen? Didn't you go out last night? Can I ask you a question? Will there be anyone I know there? Were my glasses on the table?
One.
Does anybody have a pen? Does anybody have a pen?
2.
Didn't you go out last night? Didn't you go out last night?
3.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
4.
Will there be anyone I know there? Will there be anyone I know there?
5.
Were my glasses on the table? Were my glasses on the table?
6.
Has anybody got a camera? Has anybody got a camera?
7.
Are you coming to the match? Are you coming to the match?
8.
Would they like some more tea? Would they like some more tea?
1.
Are you coming out?
No, I've got to wash my hair. Are you going anywhere nice?
We're going to the pub. Can't you wash your hair tomorrow?
Oh, okay then. Can you give me 5 minutes to get ready?
2.
Oh, hello. May I speak to Mr. Smith?
Yes, could I ask who's calling?
Yes, it's Mrs. Jones.
Mrs. Jones, would you kindly tell me the reason for your call?
I'm afraid it's personal. Is Mr. Smith there? Or shall I call back?
I'll put you through. Hold on.
3.
Do you know this man? Have you ever seen him before? Did you have dinner with him last night? Will you please answer me? Do you like pizza?
I like all Italian food.
Would you like a cup of tea?
I'm so thirsty I could drink a pot of tea.
Mozart's greatest work was the St. Matthew Passion.
That was Bach's work.
Have you seen Brad Pitt's latest?
No, I can't stand Brad Pitt.
Do you fancy going to Poland this year?
I wouldn't mind visiting Krakow.
Has the match finished?
No, the first half has finished.
Would you like to come to Warsaw with me?
Absolutely. I've never been to Poland before.
Example 1. Can I get you anything to drink?
Yes, please. A cup of tea.
Example 2. Was Betty Smith at the meeting?
No, but her husband John Smith was.
1,
Why don't you take Spot the dog for a walk?
I'm scared of dogs.
2,
What shall we listen to?
Have you got anything by Kate Bush?
3,
The game starts at 4 o'clock.
No, at 3 o'clock.
4,
What car shall I buy?
Well, you can't go wrong with a Mercedes.
5,
What time is it?
It's 3:45.
6,
Can I offer you some red wine?
I wouldn't mind a glass of white wine.
7,
Where shall we go on holiday?
I think we should go to Spain.
8,
Have you heard Kate Bush's new album?
No, I never listen to pop music.
9,
What are you going to cook me for dinner?
I think it'll be chicken and chips.
10,
Do you fancy an ice cream?
I'm not allowed sweet things.